This is Webnator, got the scrub swag. Go!
Yeah, just turned 23 on the 12th, trying to turn a little bit of talent to a lot of wealth. For now, cheers to my namesake, turn the Great Lakes green for this St. Pat's Day March shit. Little different in my city where the mood is getting better cause the weather's getting pretty and